Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a super fun trick how to make your objects or photo come to life with legs and start running. And here we'll do it easily using Pixverse, an AI animations tool that can turn still images into hilarious moving animations. And the best part, it's totally free to try. So let's get started. First, just open your Pixverse. You can use it either on the website or by use it to the app like this. And once it's open, just log in with using your Google account. And don't worry, Pixverse will give you free credits every day so you can experiment without paying anything. Next, just go to Templates tab on here. Just tap on it and then just search and then just tap on search bar and type for Leggy Run like this one. Just tap on it like this template automatically adds funny cartoon legs to your objects and makes it run like it's alive. It's perfect for turning any item into a cute little runner like this. Now just tap on use template and then just upload your photo that you want to transform. You can just pick any objects that you like, but make sure it's clear and centered because the AI will work best that way. Like this, and then after uploading just hit create. It will need 20 credits. Just tap on it and then go back and then just go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, in just a few moments your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. Pixverse will create your animations and you will see your object suddenly grows legs and even it has hands like this and start running. It's so cute. It's so funny. And then when it's done and you like it, you can tap download to save it to your device. And okay, that's it. That's how you can easily make any photo look like it's alive and running, all with just a few taps in Pixverse. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.